Alam mo bang may isang government program na tutulungan kang maging milyonaryo kahit pa minimum wage earner ka? At ipapakita ko sa'yo na kaya mo ring maging MP2 millionaire. Alam mo yung feeling na sweldo day, pero parang dumadaan lang sa kamay mo. Tapos pagtingin mo sa ATM, wala na naman, pero hindi mo rin alam kung saan napunta. Kung ikaw to, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kasi ayon sa BSP, 34% ng Pinoy ay walang ipon. At yung may ipon ay 63% lang at hindi umaabot ng 50,000 piso kahit buong buhay nang nagwo-work. And here's the crazy part. Kahit minimum wage earner, kayang maka 1 million pesos. Hindi sa crypto, hindi sa networking, hindi sa sugal, kundi sa pag-ibig MP2. Sounds impossible? Well, this is where it gets really interesting. Welcome sa video kung saan pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa pinaka-underrated, pinaka-misunderstood, pero pinaka-powerful na savings and investment tool sa Pilipinas, Pag-ibig MP2. Pero hindi lang basta MP2, tutorial 2. Kasi marunong na kayo mag-Google kung paano mag-open ng account. This video is about the math behind becoming a millionaire. The psychology bakit hirap mag-ipon ang Pinoy, the strategies para ma-break mo yung cycle, and the actionable steps paano ka makaka-1 milyon using MP2. Here's what most people don't realize. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kita. Ang kailangan mo ay system, hindi swerte. Most people think MP2 ay pang older people, pangmasa, mababang interest. Wrong! MP2 is actually one of the highest yielding, government-backed, tax-free savings programs. Average dividend rate from 2016 to 2025 ay 6% to 8% per year. Tax-free, compounded, guaranteed by law. Pero eto ang hindi alam ng karamihan. You don't need huge money para mag-grow ang MP2. Ang kailangan mo consistency at time. Eto na, let's go sa numbers. Kasi numbers don't lie. Kung marunong ka mag-multiply ng 500 piso, kaya mo to. Scenario A, maghulog ka lang ng 1,000 piso per month. Dividend assumption, 7% per year after 5 years o 1 cycle, 71,000 pesos. Rollover sa next MP2 cycle o another 5 years, it becomes 173,000 pesos. Still far from 1 million? Oo, pero tandaan, you're doing the bare minimum. Pero what if we increase just a bit? Scenario B. Marami sa atin kaya magtabi ng 3,000 piso per month o less than 100 pesos per day. 3,000 pesos per month, compounded yearly at 7% for 5 years equals 214,000 pesos. Rollover ulit, another 5 years equals 519,000 pesos. 500,000 from 3,000 pesos per month. But wait, this is where it gets really interesting. Scenario C para umabot ng real 1 million pesos. Maghulog ka ng 5,000 pesos per month. After 10 years, 865,000 pesos. Hindi pa 1 million. The moment you increase by just 2,000 pesos more, nag-iiba ang buong laro. Bawas sa milk tea, ipon-ipon at extra racket. Doable ito. 7,000 pesos per month for 10 years with rollover plus dividends. Total ay 1.2 million pesos. Yes, 7,000 per month lang to 1 million in 10 years. And if you're thinking, ang tagal naman. Friend, 10 years will pass whether you invest or not. Tanungin mo sarili mo, gusto mo ba 10 taon na mas matanda ka lang? O 10 years older na may 1 milyong piso? Hindi ko kaya ang 7,000 kada buwan. Hindi kailangan magsimula sa 7,000, pwede ka magsimula sa 1,000, then increase by 500 every 6 na buwan. Ang goal ay progress, hindi perfection. What if bumaba ang dividends? Even nung pandemic, MP2 still gave 6% dividends. And banks, 0.25% to 1%. Kahit bumaba pa, lamang ka pa rin. Sayang, locked for 5 years. Hindi siya lock-in. It's protection from yourself. MP2 is not restricting you. It's saving you from impulse spending. Remember, we don't have a savings problem. We have a discipline problem. Ang liit ng ipon ko ngayon. Let me tell you something powerful. Every millionaire started with a small amount. Pero hindi lahat ng nag-ipon, naging milyonaryo. Ang naging milyonaryo, sila yung hindi tumigil. Simulan mo nang mag-decide ng contribution mo. 3,000 per month is 519,000 in 10 years. 5,000 per month is 865,000 in 10 years. 7,000 per month is 1 million. 200,000 in 10 years. Pick one and commit. Next is automate. Payroll auto deduction or own payment. Gamitin mo ang online payment channels para mas madali mong mahulugan ang MP2. Andyan ang GCash at Virtual Pag-ibig, kung saan pwede kang mag-generate ng QRPH at magbayad gamit ang digital banks gaya ng Maya, Cbank, GoTime. Piliin mo ang pinaka-accessible sa'yo para mas maging consistent ka sa MP2. Build your no excuses environment. Uninstall shopping apps, freeze credit card, hide once from your feed. If you want to be a millionaire, protect your mind. Here's what most people don't realize. Becoming a millionaire is not about earning more. It's about keeping more and letting that money work harder than you. Pero you, kung nanonood ka nito, alam kong kaya mo. Kasi hindi aksidente bakit napadpad ka sa video na to. Maybe it's time. Time to break the cycle, time to build your future, time to choose consistency over excuses. And if there's one tool na kaya magdala sa'yo from zero to millionaire, it's MP2.